In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add AI to Gmail, transforming your emailing experience in just 5 minutes. This powerful integration can really enhance your productivity, allowing you to streamline tasks and focus on what truly matters. So sit back and follow along with me, and soon you'll have AI seamlessly integrated with your Gmail. First things first, open your Gmail account. Once you're in your inbox, take a look at the right hand side of your screen. You'll notice a plus icon there. Go ahead and click on it. This button is your gateway to adding new functionalities or widgets to your Gmail, making it more efficient for your daily tasks. Clicking the plus icon will open up a menu for you to explore different add-ons available for integration. Now in the search bar that appears, type GPT, which stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. GPT is a cutting-edge language processing AI that can assist you by drafting emails, suggesting responses, and much more. By typing GPT or any related AI tool you prefer, you're searching for the specific application you want to add to your Gmail. Allow a few moments for the search results to load. Once you see the search results, look for the appropriate AI tool that suits your needs. When you find it, you should see an install button next to it. Go ahead and click on install. This action is straightforward. What you're doing here is enabling this AI tool to operate within your Gmail setup. You may encounter a few prompts asking for permissions or confirmation to continue. Don't worry, just follow the on-screen instructions, reviewing any details regarding permissions if needed. Granting these permissions is essential as they allow the AI to interact with your emails and other necessary Gmail features, ensuring smooth operation. You might need to wait a brief moment as the installation process completes. Take this time to imagine the new possibilities this AI integration will bring into your workflow, how it can draft emails on your behalf, help manage your inbox, and keep your communication efficient and timely. And there you have it. Once installed, you'll effectively have AI-powered capabilities directly within your Gmail. You may notice new functionalities ready for use, or maybe a brief tutorial on how to get started courtesy of the AI service you just added. This simple integration can redefine how you handle emails, add a touch of innovation to your routine, and ultimately save you valuable time. Feel free to play around with the new features, adjusting settings if necessary to best suit your needs. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you find this brief setup both easy and game-changing for your email productivity. If you have questions or want to explore more AI-based tools, stay tuned for future guides. Happy emailing!